In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Freshsales. Logging in is usually quick, but it helps to follow each step carefully so you reach your dashboard without any issues. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Freshsales login page. On screen, you should see a login form that is specifically designed for signing into your Freshsales account. If you do not see the login page right away, double-check that you are on the correct site and that the page title or the URL matches Freshsales. This matters because the login page is where you will enter your account details securely. Next, you will enter your email address. Look for the email field in the login form. Type the email you use for your Freshsales account. Make sure the email is spelled correctly, including any dots and the correct domain. Small mistakes can prevent sign-in, so take a moment to confirm the text in the field matches what you intend to use. After you have entered the email, you are ready to move on to the password step. Now enter your password. Find the password field and type your password exactly as it was set. The characters usually appear as dots or stars to protect your privacy while you type. Still, it is important that the letters, numbers, and capitalization are correct. If the password field allows you to toggle visibility, you may turn it on briefly to verify accuracy, then turn it off again for privacy. Once your password is entered, your login details are complete, and you can proceed to sign in. Before you click anything, consider the option for a fast login method. If you want fast login, you can connect your Google account. On the page, look for a button or option that says something like Continue with Google or Sign in with Google. This option helps you sign in more quickly by using your Google authentication. When you select it, your browser may prompt you to choose the Google account you want to use and confirm the sign-in. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and complete the authorization if it appears. After that, you are ready to sign in and access your dashboard. If you are using the email and password method, click the Sign In button to complete the login. If you connected your Google account, completing the Google confirmation will take you directly into Freshsales. Either way, the goal is the same, to reach your main dashboard where your work begins. As soon as you are logged in, take a moment to look around the dashboard. Freshsales typically shows navigation elements, key sections for leads or deals, and areas where you can manage your workflow. If you see a landing page first, that is normal. You can use the main navigation to move to the section you need. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.